Hi, I'm LB and I'm a student here in GTech Education here in the Alcoa East branch, and I'm very happy to be part of this school because I've learned a lot. Especially special thanks to my mentor, to my teacher, Mr. Jackson, because he is very patient. I graduated. The course that I took here is like out. It's very far from what I have learned in college, but I'm so thankful for him because he made it so easy for me to understand as well. So thank you. So I encourage everyone, for those who want to have a continuous learning in their lives. They say that we should be like an eternal student. So come, join us, take your course, whatever that interests you, because there's a lot of courses available. Visit their website, www.gteeducation.com. See you!